everybody, this is Caleb on the keys, and today we'll be playing Boxcar Rumble, page 15 in book 2B. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The reason why I like this song is because it's got something new, once again. It's got these little triangular things, and what that is it basically means to make it louder or make it softer. Let's get into it. So the reason, like I said at the beginning, I like this song is the triangles, and that's like a little bit a new challenge. So basically, like it's in the beginning, it makes it so then you go up slightly, like over time a little higher with your notes, or you go softer. It's pretty repetitive in the left hand. So all you do is you go G, and you go D, so you go, and then you expand your thumb 1 over to E, so, and then you see that little P over there, that is volume. That's what we're really covering. So it means to be quiet. So that's a symbol for volume, and that means to be quiet. So. And then you see the triangle, and that means you need to get louder. So. And then for the third measure, you see that F, that means to be really loud. So, and then the right hand's doing something. So now you have B and G. So you go, and you repeat, and you hold this for the for the left hand, and you go, and you do the same like shape in your hand like this, like that, and you go. You repeat 1, 2, 3. Make it all the way down to where your hand is with B and G. So you go. But one tricky thing is you may think that you're gonna start with this, but that's actually wrong. So you may go like this. But it's actually you just keep in the same form. That definitely, when I worked on this previously, I definitely had trouble with that. So then you go, and you have B flat, and then you have just back to normal. So, and you see the little triangle, and it's open to close. That means you're gonna go quiet. So you're gonna go quieter. So you're gonna. Here's a little bit trickier. And you just press this, and then you go, B flat, B. So you go, B flat, B, D, B flat, G, D, B, G, F, and this is where you get quiet. And like last time, where you have that little line at the bottom, you go lower. So this is the last 3 measures. It goes like this. And as you see the line like from last video, use a damper pedal. Hope you enjoyed Boxcar Rumble and go on that train ride. Thanks everybody for tuning in on Caleb on the Keys, working with me on Boxcar Rumble. Remember to like and subscribe, and